Everybody, I'm just doing a little bit of electrolysis here on a tool that I found in my last, I think it was in my last video, a multi-tool with a hammer on it, screwdriver, knife, etc. So I'm going to give it a little bit of a clean and see what result I get. This is the colour of the water after about 3.5 hours, 4 hours of the knife. So I'm just going to take a look at it now and see what it's coming up. Finished doing electrolysis on this. It didn't take too long, but nice result. Look at that. It's a multi-tool: pliers, saw, screwdriver, hammer. You can see it all there. Not a bad find. Pliers. Got a saw there. Take some pictures.